Hello everyone. So in this video, I will explain sum and every method. So sum and every are array methods used to test element in an array based on a condition. Okay. So first of all, we will see about the sum method. So sum is written true if at least one element passes the test. Okay. If at least one element is true, passes the test, so it means it is true. Let's say const number 1 2 3 4, and in that const has even, we check even or not. So numbers dot sum num, and then num modulus 2, if equal to 0, then console dot log has even. Here is like 2 and 4 is even, so that's why it will true, it will give output true. See, it is given true. So that is sum method. If we find any one, so it will give true. It is also stops checking as soon as it finds a match, and useful when only one match is enough. Okay, and then every returns true only if all element pass the test. If all element pass the test, then it will print true. So in that const a 2468, it's const all even, we find all even. So a dot every num and num modulus 2 equal to 0, and then console dot log all even. If all number are even, so then it will print true. So that is every. See, if I will write here, if I will remove 8, and then I will write 7, so it will give false. See, see, it is given false. Why? Because in this array we want all even number, but in that one odd number. So if in this array all even number, then it will every. So it is stops checking on the first failure, and useful when all time must watch a condition. So that's all about sum and every method. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, so please comment down this video. That's all about this video. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.